And there are times that Allah operates against the means. When Ibrahim a.s. was thrown into the fire typically does what?
Burn you.
Through the command of Allah. Now Allah removed وَقُلْنَا يَا نَارُ كُونِي. He's changing his command that is typically appearing through the means of fire. Yes. Now he says, be cool. If he stopped at cool, he would have froze to death. So he said, bardan wa salaman, and peaceful, ala Ibrahim, specifically now. Because they say when Allah spoke to the fire, all the fire in the universe is now listening to the amr of Allah. But when he says ala Ibrahim, only on Ibrahim, they say they stripped him naked and he was tied with a rope. The rope that his hands were tied to burned, but not a single hair on Ibrahim alayhi salam burned. This is the qudra of Allah. So Allah operates through the means, Allah operates without the means, and Allah operates against the means.